Okay guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be putting back together my impact driver. Now then, the reason I took this apart is because it got left out on my workbench without a battery on it, in the rain and the wind. The wind blew the workbench over whilst it was on it. Luckily it didn't get damaged, but it was out in the pouring rain all night. So I've taken it apart so it can dry out. Now then, if ever you've wondered what the inside of an impact driver looks like, then this is it. You've got a bunch of gears, you've got the drive, some grease in there, and then you've got this, and then the actual hammer part at the front. So yeah, we're going to be putting this back together. All you need is a screwdriver, and obviously the screws that are already in it. So yeah. Okay, so here we are getting ready to put it back together. So just going to slot it on like that, so the screw holes line up. I'm just going to put it back together. Okay guys, so to put it back together, there it is, it's the inside. Now, I'll put that back on. Now we're going to put the head back on. Well, the head, don't know whether you call it a chuck or what, but whatever it is. I've got that on the wrong way around. So if we put this back on, put it on. Alright. Yeah. And then I've just got these screws to put in. Okay guys, so it's fully reassembled. Hopefully it's fully dry as well, because it did get left out in the pouring rain. So yeah, hopefully it's fully dried. I've got up here a 5 amp hour Ryobi 1 Plus battery, lithium 18 volt, which is what this is. So yeah, hopefully it works. Yeah, so that seems to be working alright. I'll just get a screw. Okay, so I've got an old piece of wood and an old screw. No idea how long it is. I'm just gonna give it a quick test. Actually, need a drill bit, hang on. Okay, so I've got a drill bit now. Just put it in. Bit rusty because this was in it when it got left out overnight. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. Still seems to work fine. Gone all the way through. If we bring it back up. So yeah, seems to still be working fine, guys. Okay, so overall guys, I'm really happy I bought this, because even though it's Ryobi and everyone says, oh, Ryobi's a cheap DIY brand, and there's loads of rumours about the batteries not even lasting 10 charges, when I've left it out in the rain, left it to dry out, and it still works perfectly fine. So yeah.